Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create logo design in Midjourney. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now for today's video, I'm going to suggest to you a prompt that is very good for logo design. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course think of a topic. Think of what you're going to create a logo design for. Now for me, we're going to use coffee as an example, and we're going to use the prompt. Do this, imagine first 32-bit isometric, and then you're going to type in your topic. We're going to go with coffee, and then click on enter. And then we're going to see the results over here. We're going to wait for a few seconds, and I'm going to show you my prompt suggestions for logo designs. And as you can see here, it's slowly being generated. We're simply going to give it a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how fast the Midjourney bot will produce our artwork over here. And we're simply going to show you guys the amazing artwork of Midjourney using this prompt over here. And as you can see here, guys, it was able to produce us amazing results that can be potentially an amazing logo for your logo designs. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.